subscribe. Well, I'm never gonna sleep again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a video that's been highly requested for a very, and I mean a very long time. As many of you know, I've made a lot of videos involving GFUEL in the last 2 years. And as one may expect, after doing GFUEL videos for so long, I have amassed quite the collection of GFUEL tubs. Between the regular formula and the hydration, I have about 42 tubs of GFUEL. That's a lot of GFUEL. With that many tubs, you would think I have every single flavor, but no, there's still a couple that I don't have. I tried to get them sent out to me for this video, but I just couldn't get them in time. The flavors that are not included in this video are gonna go on screen right about now. I think we can leave those out, okay? We're gonna have enough powder for today. Now, one may ask, how is this gonna be possible? How are you gonna make this into an even bearable drink? Duck, it's just gonna be too chalky. Duck, you're not gonna put enough water. I gotta get everything to dissolve. Duck, shut up. I know what I'm doing. Now, if you're an OG on this channel and you've watched me for long enough, you know I've done one of these videos already. I did it a while back when I mixed all my flavors that I had at the time together, but that was back when I didn't even have half of the flavors that I have now. And as you may expect, last time it was a little too overwhelming. The powder to water ratio was not that great. Stuff did not dissolve the way I wanted it to. So I'm hopefully going to at least improve upon that this time. I've taken a small bit of the powder from each of the tubs that I have. And I mean like a very tiny amount, a very, very small amount. I've laid them all out on my desk and I'm going to put them all into one cup to be stirred around. And here's the important part. I'm going to be adding this mixture into hot water. The hot water will allow the powder to dissolve 10 times better. And once I shake it up and get it all ready to go, I'll put some ice cubes into it, let it cool down a little bit. Then I will try it out and let you know what every flavor of GFUEL tastes like together so that you don't have to find out for yourself. You're welcome. I have a caffeine problem. But we got no time to waste. I got everything set up and my hands are still very powdery. Do you have any idea how long I had to spend scuba diving for the scoopers in the bottom of the tubs? A long time. Please, for the sake of all the effort I put into this, subscribe to the channel or something. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers. I am super excited to hit the milestone with you guys. So thank you for sharing the channel. Continue to subscribe and show the love. I appreciate you guys to the max. So let's go ahead and put way too much caffeine in my body. Everything's gonna go into this cup right here where I'll shake it around and make it all one powder. Then that powder mixture will go into this cup, which will be filled with hot water. So let's start doing it. So everything's mixed up here and I just got so much powder in my nose. That's a lot of powder, man. Okay, so my calculations were a little off. Darn it. So obviously this is not going to be good if I just take the entire thing and mix it with all water. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one full scooper of this mixture, add it into some hot water, then put some ice into it. Then we will try it out. Man, I got so much powder in my nose. So first things first, we're going to take our shaker cup and then a steaming hot glass of water, which is so hot that I feel like my hand is about to burn off. Let's pour that in there really quickly. Oh, it's getting on my desk. All right, and I think that should be good right there. This is really hot, so it should dissolve everything very well. Let's take one full scoop, and I mean like a big scoop, like a mountain scoop. All right, let's go ahead and add it in, see what the color mixture looks like. That kind of looks like vomit. Looks like it's turning like a weird yellowish red brown with a little bit of blue. It's got a lot of colors in it. This is a really weird smell because like my nose is tingling as if I'm smelling the spicy demonade. It's making my eyes water a little bit, but I'm also getting a lot of the sweet things like kiwi strawberry and twisted candy. Just add in our ice cubes that we have here. I'm hoping this will taste good. So the last thing we got to do is just shake. Check, and done. Okay, got like a very light brownish purple tint to it. It looks very peculiar. Let's do a pop test real quick. Let's see how it smells. If we get a good pop, you have to drop a like. That's just the rules. Here we go. Oh my god, dude, that was a sick pop. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of like spicy demonade for some reason. It's making my nose hairs like curl back. We're gonna try this out, but I want to let you guys know that if you want any of these flavors that I put together in this concoction, you can use code DUCK for a 10% discount on all of your GFUEL products. If you want to be like me and buy one of every flavor so you can do this, you can use code DUCK to save some money on it. Using my code is a great way to support the channel and it saves yourself some money. So help yourself, help me out, use code DUCK at checkout. And without further ado, cheers everybody. Let's go ahead and try this out in 3, 2, 1. That's a little overwhelming. Confusing. That's very odd. In the first like 3 sips, this is already a pretty extreme ride of flavor. I'm getting like a lot of sweetness, but that sweetness has like an overtone of bitter from like the coffee flavor and the spicy demonade. It feels as if there's layers on top of layers with this. Every single flavor I mix in this that is relatively tropical, from the Bahama Mama to the Battle Juice to even the Tropical Rain, those are the most present of any other flavor in this drink. This is a very tropical sensation. I get a lot of that coconut. I can taste the pineapple really come through, but it's weird because it's got this like infusion with a candy-like taste to it. But that's not all. It's got like the bitterness and a little bit of that kick in the back of your throat that a spicy demonade would give you. And it tastes like a little bit of an espresso shot from like the coffee flavor. Oh man, honestly, it's not bad. I don't know if I'd say if it's like market ready yet. Got a couple of kinks to work out. I really don't know how to feel about this. Maybe we just need more powder. Yes, Duckaja, I think we need all the powder. Oh, I can't even breathe it in. Oh my god. This is what it needs to make it a well-rounded experience. It needs to be very overwhelming. It needs to be even more overwhelming than how overwhelming it was initially. All right, let's try that out. Oh man, oh man. All the sour flavors just revolted back. All the sour flavors must have gotten into the very bottom of that mixture. Final consensus, this is not shelf ready, I don't believe. But it really isn't terrible, it's bearable. I don't know what the rating should be because I had some of my favorite flavors that I've rated a 10 out of 10, and I had some of my least favorite flavors. I've consumed a good amount of it, so I think I'm ready to give a final consensus. I'm gonna give this mixture of every single G Fuel together a solid 6.5 out of 10. I had to give it a couple of points because I can definitely taste some of the flavors that I know I love, but some of the flavors I've not raved over are definitely overtaking it. So there you go. You guys finally saw it. You have been asking me for so long to do this, and I finally did it, so you're welcome. Every flavor of G Fuel has been mixed together and tried out. A 6.5 is the final rating. Not terrible, but at the same time, not really that amazing. I prefer my G Fuel one flavor at a time, personally. Adding 40 something plus is not really, not my forte. This is a very fun experiment, at least. Thank you guys for recommending it. If you have any other video ideas, make sure you put them down below in the comment section, or come tell me about them live on my Twitch stream, where I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Who knows, maybe one of your ideas might make its way onto my YouTube channel. But that's just about everything for me. I have a ton of things to clean up all around me. Thank you guys so very much for watching this video today. Hopefully you did enjoy. If you did and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and drop a sub-like-ment. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.